The tape looks like this in the red. And what you want to do is you want to put it, and I haven't put this down, I haven't smoothed it down. You want to put it on whatever fitting that you have, either like this or this fitting, so that when you turn the fitting in the where it's supposed to go, that it tightens up the Teflon tape instead of unraveling it, if you can get what I mean. What the Teflon tape does, if for all you young guys and things like that, and I'm making these videos so people can look back on these in years and kind of understand them, is that when you have threads like right here and right here, these are known as pipe threads, where the harder that you crank on them, or the harder that you screw them in, the more they hold. But it is metal against metal, and water has a way of finding its way through anything. Now the problem that we have here is this. I have to make sure that this fitting is going to fit in here and is going to be pointed straight up at this fitting, okay, in order to put on my little hose. I have to make sure this fitting is perfect. Oops. You didn't see that. So that when I put the reed cage back on right here, everything will be okay, because once I put that lower fitting on, I won't be able to move it or take it off because of the reed cage. So I'm going to take my damn it. First of all, I'm going to fire that damn thing. It's just not very good for making a video. But I'm going to take it and very slowly put it in here and use my wrench right here and get it to where it's pointed up here. I will do that on all of them. The trick is that when we go to do this, you don't want any leaks when the motor starts. Especially a leak where you got to tear it all the way down to where it is right now and refix it. So take a little bit of time, get yourself some of this Teflon tape. It's $1 at any hardware store, and it really helps on any of your metal to metal screw-in fittings. So we're going to do that. Then I'm going to get some hot boiling water and stick this in it and get a set of vice grips and put it on here to here. The motor is coming along. I do kind of have my doubts. It's been so many months since I put all this together, and I'm like a lot of you guys out there, okay? You're going, oh bad boy, this DIO, he's so cool, he knows how to do this, he can just put all these motors together and they magically work. No, that's not the case. The thing is that I'm like anybody else. I don't know if this is going to work, and I have my doubts. I will not be happy until it fires up. Once it fires up, it's like me winning the lottery. I'll be going, God, thank God it works. It works. And then when I ride it, I want to make sure my temperature is working okay. And look at that fucking pipe. Jesus Christ, that pipe could star in a porno. Look at the size of that bitch. My God. Girls look at this bike and go, hey, what's your name? Anything? Are you a fighter pilot? Why, yes, I am, princess. I'm a fighter pilot. DIOSpeedDEMON, rock on.